Hi everybody, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. To kick off the week on Monday, we expect a slow start as a lack of key data hits the market, but there may be some volatility in the US dollar as Atlanta Fed President Dennis Lockhart gives a speech on monetary policy. On Tuesday, the focus will be on the Asian session with the release of the NAB Business Conditions Survey from Australia, which should create some trading opportunities in the Australian dollar. In the European session, we'll see CPI numbers from Germany, which came in at 0.4% last month and have been on the rise recently on the back of the ECB stimulus program, and another good figure should boost the European currency. Also in the European session, from the UK we'll see CPI numbers, which will be closely monitored to see if the Brexit effect is taking hold, and we expected volatility in the British pound. On Wednesday, all eyes will be on the Asian session with the release of the Westpac Consumer Confidence Survey from Australia, which is a key indicator of consumer confidence and is expected to create volatility in the Australian dollar. In the American session, we'll see import and export price indexes from the US, which should give a clear picture of the state of this sector and create some trading opportunities and volatility in the US dollar. On Thursday, during the Asian session, we'll see GDP numbers from New Zealand as well as the latest unemployment rate from Australia. The Bank of New Zealand slashed interest rates recently, and some believe more cuts are coming in the nearest future, so this news will be closely monitored and volatility in the New Zealand dollar is expected. In the European session, the market will await the latest interest rate decision from the Bank of England, followed by a monetary press statement. The central bank cut interest rates last month, and some predict that another cut is not out of the question, so we expect volatility in the British pound surrounding this news. On Friday, the focus will be on the American session with the release of CPI numbers from the US as well as the Reuters Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report. The CPI numbers will be of great importance, as one is its last major releases before next week's interest rate decision by the US Federal Reserve, and we expect volatility in the US dollar to close out the week. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.